Hi, I'm Ricky Cain, co-founder and president at Cain Realty Group with Keller Williams. Today is November 28th, 2022, and welcome to Ricky's Real Estate Rundown, where I cover what you need to know about the greater Austin area real estate market in 4 minutes or less. All right, let's begin with the 7 day market watch. Let's see what has transpired in the multiple listing service in the last 7 days within the greater Austin area. We can see that 339 new homes came on the market, and during the same time, 788 went under contract. So that tells me not a lot of people went on the market during the holidays, but buyer activity was still strong with almost 800 buyers writing offers and going under contract. The average price for the homes currently on the market is just over 705,000. And then when we look at the under contract average price, that's just over 580,000. And on average, those homes were on the market for 60 days before they accepted an offer from a buyer. Now, in looking at the average sales price over the last 7 days for homes that actually closed, that number was at 517,000 with an average days on market of 47. Then, on average, sellers that closed over the last 7 days got about 96.4% of their list price. Then, in looking at properties that were removed from the market, or what we call expired listings, that average price was actually just over $1 million. So much different than the under contract average price of just over 580,000. And for those homes that came off the market or expired, those homes were on the market about 95 days before they were removed. Also, we can see over the past 30 days, 31% of sellers decide to reduce their price. And from those segments, 37% of them reduced 10 to 20%, 32% from 5 to 10%, and then 21% reduced 5% or less. So, what does this all mean for buyers? Well, it's still a great time to buy a home. Rates have actually come down a little bit. And as we know, there's been a correction, so the prices are lower as well. You still also have about a week to where you could potentially get under contract and close in 2022, which would allow you to not have to skip a year to file your homestead exemption. The homestead exemption just doesn't give you a break on your taxable value. It also caps that taxable value by 10% year over year. So a lot of savvy home buyers like to make sure that they get in by the end of the year so that they actually own that home and own that property by January 1st as their homestead. What does this mean for sellers? Well, in speaking with a client today, he mentioned how, Ricky, I'm just going to wait. The rates have come down a little bit. I think they're going to continue coming down, and it's going to be a better market next year. And I told him, I said, do you think you're the only seller in Austin that has this opinion? Everything we're seeing that yes, buyer demand might come up a little bit, but we're still expecting more homes to be on the market than what the demand will be next year. So the time to get your home on the market is now. We expect a price and beauty war next year with the amount and abundance of listing inventory. There's going to be a few winners and a lot of losers in that war. Now, Greater Austin area accolade. It's pretty cool. 42 floors. Their co-working reports mapped out the best U.S. metros to start a business based on cost and opportunity. Austin came in number 3. So Austin continues to be a place where companies are coming, people are relocating, and I trust that will lead to a solid market while the rest of the country might not be as strong. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything in this video, feel free to call your favorite CRG agent or give us a call at our office at 512-675-SOLD. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next Monday.